Hello everyone, today we're gonna see a comparison between Cash App versus Zelle. Starting with Cash App, originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers. Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now moving on to Zelle. Zelle is built directly into most banking apps. That means if you already use a bank like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, Zelle is probably available inside your existing app. Also, it moves money directly between bank accounts, usually in minutes. It's free and you don't have to wait to transfer the money. It goes straight to the recipient's bank balance. Zelle is super convenient for people who already bank with traditional institutions and want no third-party app or account in between. So, Cash App is more flexible. It gives you a wallet, a debit card, investing tools, and even Bitcoin access. And Zelle is faster for bank-to-bank transfers and works well inside your existing banking app. No need to sign up separately. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.